it yet because I'm getting tired and my heart rate's going faster.
Don't act like that.
You need a 5-minute break, Destiny. No. Okay. Break time's over.
Break time is not over.
You want a break?
What? Epic fair. What happened?
I don't know. Oh, to all you viewers out there, sorry that our last video didn't end. Okay, I'm not going to talk in Texan. So, okay, you go.
Cut!
No, you go in. I'll just keep talking. See, it'll be fun.
Ever.
You can leave me alone with YouTube. Oh yeah, it's just gonna be me talking about stuff for the next however long Destiny's gone. So, I don't know how well you can hear me, but if you can hear me well, then please don't mind the background noise. Okay, wow, this is embarrassing.